Hello guys and welcome to George Digitals. Today I'll be showing you how to import emails into your sales funnel. And if you have not subscribed, I would like you to subscribe to this channel. Also like this video, share it with your friends and leave a comment if you have any question you feel you want to ask me. So let's dive in. So for us to do this, we need to go and log in to our funnel. Remember that day we created our funnel. So once you sign in to your funnel, the first thing you need to do is to go to your contact. Then from your contact, click on tags. Now the reason why you are clicking on this tag and you are going to be creating a tag is because you want to be able to separate the people that are coming into your funnel from this one you are uploading or importing. You understand? So just click on create. Then let's call this email import. Email underscore import. Then click on save. After you save this, the next thing you need to do is to go to contact. Now, if you go to contact, there are two options you see at the top. You know that this guy was able to sign up to our funnel, right? Now, if you come here, you can create a new contact by putting the name of the person, his email address, and everything. That is how you can create a contact. Let's say you want to add somebody else's name, you can just do that here. But that's not what I want to teach you today. Then go back to this import contact. Once you go back to import contact, click on this. They ask you to upload a CSV file. So what you need to do is that prepare your Excel by giving the first row a name and writing the name of the people, then a second one an email. So what you need to do is click on this place and you have to save it as CSV. So you go to save as. Let me show you again. I said go to file, then from file go to save as, then from save as choose the place you want to save it. I want to save it on my desktop and the name I want to call it is email. I can say email list, anyone you want to call it. Then you come here, select CSV comma delimited. I will tell you why I said so. CSV comma, that is separated, comma separated values, that is the meaning of CSV. Then click on save. So once you save this as a CSV, what you need to do, you need to go and upload it here on your systeme import place. So click on this, then go to your desktop and look for email list, right? This. So once you click on it, click on open. You know, I save it as a CSV file because this also accepts CSV file. So once you do that, now you need to select this tag, which is this tag. We've created email import. Why are we selecting this tag? Is because we have imported them and we want to separate them from the ones that are coming naturally from the link we've provided people. Now the next thing is you need to select if you want to join them to your campaign. Remember that day we created a campaign and this is optional, but let's say you want to join them to that same campaign you've created before, which is that demo email. You remember we created one email and that email, maybe you want to also continue sending it to this new import emails. So just select this demo. So once you select demo, click on next. So once you click on next, now this place that shows empty, you have to explain that this is what the first name. So from this first name, then just click on import. So you see it has imported. So once it imports, if you look at the bottom, you see that it has been. So once you go to tags, you click on this email import, then you see the whole email you've imported. You see? So these are the emails we've imported here. Hope you guys understand, right? So if you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Feel free to ask me any question in the comment section. Bye.